is Martin here from Copenhagen, Denmark. Today I want to show you something powerful. A live AI chatbot trained entirely on my own career data, my experience, my projects, and the work I have done across data, AI, BI, automation, and developer advocacy. This is not a generic GPT bot. It's not a demo that gives random answers. It's an agent that understands who I am, what I have built, and what I have delivered. And it responds in a structured, professional, resume-ready format. To build it, I started by turning my career into structured knowledge, professional roles I have held in BI consultant, AI engineer, and developer advocate. Real-world projects, Power BI automation, voice agents, RAG system, AI workflows, contribution to open source communities like Pandas AI, certification training, events, volunteer teaching, case studies, result and measurable impact. All of that knowledge was converted into embedding and stored in Pincoin, which becomes the agent's long-term memory. So whenever someone asks the chatbot a question, it does the two things: understand the intent, retrieve the most relevant information from my experience, then the model constructs an answer using professional tone, clean structure, and rules I defined personally.
Let me show you a real demo. I'll ask the agent, who is Martin Khristi? It doesn't guess or search online. It retrieves my real roles, projects, and achievements, then answers in a clean, professional format, no hallucinations, just my actual experience.
So let's talk about the orchestration. So all of this is coordinated inside n8n: chat triggers, data retrieval, model prompt, output formatting, logging, conversation context. Think of n8n as the workflow engine around the AI brain. So the brain of the agent, the reasoning is handled by SambaNova hosted LLMs. It's fast, accurate, and optimized for real workloads, not just playground usage. This lets the agent respond fluidly to complex queries like explain your Power BI forecasting model, show me how you automate reporting with n8n, describe your real voice agent architecture. Instead of hallucinating, it uses retrieval first, then reasoning. Let's talk about compliance layer, Velatir node. So I don't just trust the AI. I verify every answers, every response is passes through Velatir, which checks privacy, no personal contact or confidential data, NDAs, no contract sensitive information, ethic and tone, no harmful or unprofessional content, brand rules, consistent, calm, professional, accuracy, no fabricated achievements. If something is unsafe or oversets, Velatir block or rewrites it. So pipeline is user, retrieval, SambaNova LLM, Velatir, and final answer. Because a chatbot that knows your life must also protect your life. So my goal was very simple: to make my knowledge accessible, my reputation consistent, and my experience scalable. This agent helps companies, partners, and collaborators understand what I can deliver instantly, accurately, and safely. So that's the future of professional presence. AI that supports our work, protects our identity, and amplifies our results. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you need any help or support, I am always happy to help. Thank you.